to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I achieve this really easy everyday makeup look. If you're interested to know more, please keep on watching. Using the Morphe brow pencil in the color Hazelnut, we're starting off with the eyebrows first. What I'm just doing is tracing the bottom of my eyebrow, kind of in its original shape, just as kind of like a starting point. After I'm done with that, I'm going to do the same thing on the top of the eyebrow, just tracing the normal arch that I have and then filling in the sparse areas, as you can see the difference. And then to prep my face, I'm just going to use the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. It's a really nice primer to keep the face tacky and to make the foundation grip. I'm taking the new Anastasia Luminous foundation in the shade 210. This foundation is amazing. It gives you a nice coverage while still giving you a nice glowy look. I wanted to show you guys how it looks one side with foundation and one side without. As you can tell, it leaves almost like a filter all over your face. And then we're just going to take the Born This Way Sculpting Concealer in the shade Almond. We're going to use this to conceal and to highlight. I just like to put this underneath my eyes, kind of in an upside down triangle shape. I also like to blend this out on the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, sometimes on my cupid's bow and on my chin. We're just going to blend this all over with a damp sponge. And then I'm going to take that same concealer on a little brush and just highlight underneath my eyebrows. This makes a huge difference in your makeup application. It really cleans up the eyebrow and makes it almost like gives it more definition in a way. Also, the difference between a highlighted eyebrow and one that's not, we're just going to blend that out. Once you're done with the concealer, you're going to take the Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. I use this to set underneath my eyes. I just find that this powder gives more coverage than the Laura Mercier Finishing Powder. Even though I love that powder, this seems to kind of just give a little bit more coverage. Okay, and now we're using the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder to set. I love using this powder even by itself, just as a quick like on the go coverage as well. Okay, and once we're done with complexion, we're going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Bronzer in the shade Tawny to contour. When contouring, I always remember to go up my temples to my forehead and then back down to my chin, just so everything is kind of connected and looks bronzed. Okay, and a really important step is the nose contour. I'm just taking a butter bronzer and contouring my nose a little. I would say this really balances out the look in the end, just because you have a lot of warmth in your cheekbones and on your forehead. If you miss your nose contour, I just feel like it just looks bland, so you want to make sure to really contour it up. And then I'm just taking the Give It To Me Straight palette by ColourPop. I'm taking the shade BS to just put a little bit in the crease of my eyes. Since it kind of plays along the same undertones as a bronzer, I almost blend that with my nose contour as well, really in the like sockets of my eyes, just to contour my eyes as well a little bit so that everything again looks balanced. Okay, and then I'm taking this Airspun powder in the shade Naturally Neutral to almost like reverse contour, I think they call it. To really just make my contour pop and to make everything cleaner. Okay, and then I'm just taking this Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio little palette in the shade Pool Party. I'm mixing those two colors there and just working them on my cheekbones to give me a little bit more of like a naturally blushed look. Okay, now we're taking this gorgeous highlight from Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amrezy. We're putting that on the top of the cheekbones and underneath the eyebrow. You're going to want to form like a C shape. You'll see me doing here. Then we're going to take down the bridge of the nose, also on the tip of the nose. And then the same thing on the other side. And then last, we're taking this NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade London. It's a very neutral lip liner to just outline our lips. Lastly, we're just going to set our face with this Morphe X Jeffree Star setting spray. The spray smells really good. It smells like strawberries. Okay, we're just going to pat that into the skin. And that's basically the finished look. Thank you so much for watching, guys.